a step-by-step tutorial on how to get to the Kaspa Center via MetaQuest or phone and tablet. First off, once you open your MetaQuest app, go to the search bar and click on the Shop button. Once it opens, you're gonna go to the search bar in the left corner and type Meta Horizon. Once you're there, it's gonna open the window. You just have to download it and open the app. In no time, you're gonna be with your avatar if you already have it. If not, you're gonna have to make your avatar, and then it's gonna open a search window. Click on the search bar again and type Kaspa Center. It's gonna give you the options to like, save, and information about the world. You're gonna click on it and it's gonna take you automatically to the world. Now you are in the Kaspa Center. Welcome. Another way is just to search on NeoVuda or Cryptoliver, view profile, and search in the published worlds. Make sure to follow us. And this is the second way how to get to the Kaspa Center. Last but not least, I'm going to show you via phone or tablet. And you're gonna open the App Store or Google Play and search for Meta Horizon. Once you have it, download in your phone, open it, make your online account, make your avatar if you don't have one, and look in the search bar and type Kaspa Center. It's pretty easy and straightforward. It's gonna take you there. Just tap on the Go button and here we are. Remember that it's not gonna be the same experience as you getting a MetaQuest goggle, but let's say that you're gonna get to explore the different areas like the mining area that we have, the table where we can introduce ourselves and talk about a few of the updates that are coming to Kaspa. That is it. If you want to leave, just click on the window on the right side corner and click leave. Save the Kaspa Center world if you want to revisit later, and remember to leave a like on the world so we can reach more people in the Meta Horizon app. Thanks for watching and see you in the Kaspa Center.